Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to be unboxing the all-new Apple Watch Series 7. The model I have here is the 41mm stainless steel model in gold. Flipping the box upside down and lifting up the two hemispherical tabs allows you to release the outer packaging shell that is enclosing two separate boxes inside. We have one box on top that contains the Apple Watch itself, and another beneath it that contains your chosen watch band, which in my case is the Midnight Sport Band. Focusing on the first box, there are two security seals to pull, after which we can lift up the top half of the box to reveal what's inside. First up, we have the Apple Watch case itself, which is wrapped in a paper sleeve. Sliding this off, we can take a look at the watch case close up. As previously mentioned, I have gone for the stainless steel model in gold, which I think looks very nice. We can also take a look at the sensor array on the back of the watch, which is unchanged from the Series 6. Next, we have our watch documentation, which has a card with the warranty information, as well as a quick start guide. Finally, we have our Apple Watch charging cable. This year, the cable has been updated to support new, faster charging capabilities for the Series 7, which means a USB-C connector on the end for the first time, and the aluminium charging puck, which used to be reserved for the stainless steel and titanium versions of the watch, now also ships as standard with the aluminium versions. As I've said, I have chosen the Midnight Sport Band to go with this watch. You get some instructions on how to install the Sport Band, which are easy to follow, and you actually receive two sizes for the band, so you can choose whichever one fits you best. In my case, the larger one doesn't fit me at all, so I've installed the small one. Once the band has been installed, you can boot the watch up by pressing and holding the side button beneath the digital crown. Once the watch has booted up, you can start the pairing process. The first step is to bring your iPhone next to the watch and unlock it. A pairing prompt appears automatically, and all you need to do is tap pair, after which you'll get taken into the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Now it's just a case of going through the setup process, selecting the options that you wish to have enabled. This process has steps such as choosing the size of text on the watch, creating a passcode for the watch that will be required whenever it's taken off your wrist, followed by setting your activity goals, which comprise of daily move, exercise, and stand goals. You can then also choose whether or not you wish to have the watch measure your blood oxygen level, and whether you wish to have automatic software updates switched on or not. Next, you can turn on the emergency SOS feature that works in the same way as the one on your phone, and if you have an Apple Watch with cellular connectivity, this is where you can set that up to work. Then, choose if you want to have your always-on display enabled or not, and then choose if you wish to automatically install any apps from your phone that have a watch counterpart onto the watch. The final step of the setup process is to choose if you want to view your apps in the traditional honeycomb grid view, or if you'd prefer a list view, and once that's selected, the watch will begin syncing. This can take a while. For me, it took about 6 minutes, but once syncing is done, your Apple Watch will be ready to use, and you'll be taken straight to the watch face. The main change with the Series 7 is the larger display. We have a 20% larger display than on the Series 6 in the same body, thanks to the display now extending even further to the edge of the case. The cover glass on the Apple Watch Series 7 is also even stronger than before, and the watch has an IP6X water and complete dust resistance. The optics of the front glass have been tuned so that anything displayed right on the edge appears to be curving over onto the side, even though the display doesn't actually curve over the edges. And there is a new Series 7 exclusive contour watch face that pushes the numbers right to the end of the display to take advantage of this. This screen size increase allows, for the first time, for a full QWERTY keyboard on the watch to be used for text input. This keyboard is surprisingly easy to use for its size, but is probably most useful as a swipe keyboard, which is actually very intuitive to use for inputting text into your watch. Finally, as mentioned before, we now have faster charging, which allows for a 33% faster charge time than the Series 6. That's it for this unboxing, setup and quick look video. If you enjoyed it, then please give this video a thumbs up. Please also do consider subscribing, and remember to hit the notification bell icon and set your preferences to all so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.